is not there, we need to talk about ODM. Let me say ODM's influence instead of using Raila Odinga. The Trojan horse theory I've used here, I want to say that in ODM's own words, Matiang'i is the perfect Trojan horse. He looks independent, sounds neutral, and has a professional reputation. Na ni kitu ambayo imeleta wasiwasi katika opposition. Ndio maana wanafanya mikutano mingi bila kumhusisha. They're not stupid. But behind that calm appearance, ODM believes there is a coordination with Ruto system. Because the same state machinery that once fought Fred Matiang'i now protects him. It's the only Uhuru's era big name with a clean political runway. ODM strategists wanaogopa that he could be used to attract middle class and a political center of Kenyans who have not decided where they're supposed to vote in 2027. And that's how President Ruto could control 2027.